On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. I want to get a different angle.
Okay, go. Here, heel.
Chops it right in the mud.
Well, I'm here with Alex. He was one of the hunters that were in the field. I'm going to ask him a few questions. So, was this your first time ever in an organization like this, veterans or soldiers getting involved in the outdoors?
Yeah, it was. This is also my first pheasant hunt, so it was nice getting out here, chatting with all the other veterans, and just getting together and going out for a hunt. It's just, it was a great time. We woke up early this morning, came out here, and it was totally worth it. You know, and I would do it again in a heartbeat.
Awesome. Like I said, guys, I was out there filming them. How much you guys lay down? 6?
So we got five. Yep.
They got five of the birds. They weren't really flying. They didn't want to fly too well, eh? They just kept running around.
Yeah, dog did a lot of the work. Yeah.
Yeah, he did. He did. What does this do for like your mindset?
Good. It's a good opportunity to just reset. You know, the weekly grind gets old after a while, and it's a good opportunity to just reset, reconnect, sit down and just talk about something other than work. You know, just.
Yeah.
See what's going on out here with everybody else.
Yeah. How does like the camaraderie come into places like this, and just the camaraderie with all the other guys who are maybe in your same boat, dealing with the same stuff, went through the same stuff? I mean,
yeah, it's great to be able to connect and see that other people have the same thoughts, feelings, emotions, opinions as you, and connect with those guys, reconnect, because sometimes you get distance from everybody, and it's a good opportunity to do that.
Are you retired, or are you still active?
I'm still active. I got a little facial hair because I'm on leave, so don't judge on that. But yeah, I've been in for 14 years.
14 years?
Yeah, stationed down in Milwaukee as a recruiter. So.
All right. What's your MLS?
I was infantry before this, and now I'm a full-time recruiter.
Well, I'd like to say thank you for everything you do, everything you have done. was awesome meeting you. It was awesome being in the field with you.
Passion has always been the outdoors. And I have an opportunity to share that with many of you that have never hunted before, have never fished before, or have given it up. We're trying to give you the opportunity to get back into the outdoors and share that passion with you guys. See, this is our third year here. Our third year. To be able to come out here and have an organization donate what they do to us for free is amazing. I mean, you look at the crowd here today, if it wouldn't be for the hunt club here, we wouldn't be able to do this. We do a lot of sports shows to sell raffle tickets, and that's what allows us to be able to do hunting and fishing trips throughout the United States. We go from Maine to Idaho and every place in between that I can line up a hunt to go on. And I've been doing this for 7 years now. We're growing. We're getting more and more veterans involved in the organization. Bob, he's becoming more and more involved with it. We've got some other people that are helping us set up hunts out west. We want to grow, but I can't do it myself. I can only do it with organizations like this and with the help of you guys. So for us to be able to put on an event like this, it's truly an honor. And I have a blast just watching you guys coming out of the field. I don't need to hunt, but listen to you guys talk and the stories. You don't know each other, but the camaraderie that I see when you guys get together, to me, it's truly amazing. I've gone on many hunting trips with guys that don't know each other. We sit around the campfire at night, and it's like a long lost friend. It's amazing. And that's one of the reasons I do it, too. We were going to give away a 12-gauge shotgun. We still are. With further ado, the winner, 12-gauge. Woohoo! I got the ticket. Overdone. Your ticket. It's rigged. Go and take it to the side. All right. Winner is 72797. It would be pretty simple just to leave it at that. So, everybody that did not get a ticket, raise your hand. Since you're the smart ass, I want you to give a ticket to everybody that has their hand up that did not get a tag. I'm going to give away another shot.
Do I get to raise my hand this time even though I didn't go shoot anything?
Lucky winner, 727998.
For my screen, I would have just given it.
Who's available to leave on the 9th of April and come back on the 13th of April for a Tennessee hog hunt? I rode with you on a trip. I don't know if I can handle another one. I might fly you that one.
Hey, whatever. I still get there.
This intro on the way.
Here we go. 928. 928? No. Yes. No, take that